Aloe vera is a medicinal plant that's been used to treat various health conditions for thousands of years. Aloe leaves contain a clear gel that is a popular home remedy with many uses. This gel is reputed to have many health benefits. It's been used for hundreds of years for its healing properties to topically treat skin conditions and rashes, dry skin, and burns and sunburns. Aloe gel is also replete with antioxidants, so it's a healthy supplement to add to your morning smoothie. To harvest the gel, the first thing you need to do is identify a ripe leaf. Look for one that is thick, smooth, and deep green. If you squeeze it gently, you should feel a bit of give without being able to squeeze all the through. With a sharp knife, slice off the lengthwise edge of each side of the leaf to remove the aloe thorns. Once again, using your sharp knife, carefully slice just under the aloe leaf skin to pare off the green topmost layer, removing the skin. This will expose the translucent gel inside of the leaf. Slowly scoop the gel off of the bottom layer. You can use the aloe gel as is, chop it up into bits, or toss it in a blender to liquefy it. Store unused gel in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. You can also freeze it for longer storage. I hope this will encourage you to grow aloe vera and enjoy all its health benefits.